Hello, Miss.
Hello, everybody. How are you today? Happy New Year. How do you feel?
Fine. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes, you're happy. You're excited because you're in a new year or not?
Uh,
Yes. Yeah, do you listen to the song that I was displaying or not?
yeah.
Yes. I displayed that song because that song gives you happiness. I don't know, but I feel so excited when I listen that song. So remember that we're in a new year. We're in 2022. We have new goals, new things that we want to achieve. Do you think some goals that you want to achieve this year? Yes. For example, this year maybe we can have less homework. Maybe you wish to have so happiness to have to maybe this year you wish to have different things, but the most important, remember, is to give love, to receive love, to have faith, and to have health. Remember that. So do you think that some of the goals that you want to have this year, someone that can share in 1 minute and this minute wants to share? No. Do you think about what do you want to achieve this year? ¿Qué quiere lograr este año? 2022, remember, it's a new year. This is the third day of 2022. It's the first Monday that we have in this year. You think something, Santiago Chavez?
Hi.
Hello, Camila. Nice to see you. Nice to see you in this year.
Happy New
Last
Year.
I didn't see you. Happy New Year. Santiago Chavez, you want to share something?
Mañana cumpleaños.
Tomorrow is your birthday? Yes. Okay, you are going to be the first person that's going to celebrate the birthday in the class in this year. That's so great. Are you excited for tomorrow, Santiago Chavez? Are you excited for today? This is the last day that you are going to have. How old are you? 8, 9 years?
10.
10. So today is your last day with 9 years. Tomorrow you're going to be 10. Okay, so I'm going to take the attendance. Nice to see you this year. I'm so happy to see all of you here. I'm going to take the attendance to see the people that it's connected today here with us in this class. So if you are here connected, remember to say present. Yes, to say present or here, so I can put it here a check that you are connected. Let's see, Joshua Aguilar. Joshua Aguilar. No, not yet.
No.
Okay, Lucia Alvarenga.
Present.
Excellent. Santiago Fiallo. Santiago Hernandez.
No.
No, no yet. Okay. Hermes Antunes.
Yes.
Present.
Excellent. Thank you, Hermes. Isabela Barahona.
Presente.
Okay. Alberto Carvajal.
Present.
Santiago Chávez.
Present.
Gabriele Gigurens.
Present.
Excellent. Fernando Enriquez. Fernando. No yet. Okay, thank you. Rosa Figueroa.
Present.
Excellent. Ana Flores. Ana.
Here.
Excellent. Danny Giron.
Present.
Marcelo Gomez. Marcelo is not here yet.
No.
Okay. Rebecca Guillén.
Present.
Yes. Tijan.
Present.
Excellent. Valerie Menjivar. Valerie is not connected yet. Okay. Camila Monserrat.
Present, Miss.
Andrea Núñez.
Present.
Kiara Palencia. Kiara, no yet. No. Okay. Mia Valentina.
Present.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Later, I'm going to take again the attendance. Maybe your classmate can join later. Okay, let's start with math. Let's just start with math. Today, we're going to copy something. You can have your notebook. You can have your notebook with you. We're not going to copy too much, but let's review the table. Let's see if you remember the table. Since last year, we haven't reviewed the tables. Or did you study these days? No, right? You enjoy your vacations. You have vacation, not to study. So let's review the tables for this reason, because we're going to start with the topics of this third partial. So in your notebook, please take your notebook and write third partial. Remember that we start a new partial, so write third partial. I'm going to give you two minutes to write it down in your notebook. Third partial, you can decorate. If you have colors, you can color it. You can draw something beautiful. So I'm going to give you this 2 minutes to do that. Remember, we're in third partial. So today we're going to review multiplication. So you write third partial and then you can write this as a title. Review multiplication. Remember to decorate the third partial first. You can write the day. What day is it today, class? How can you write the day today?
Enero 3.
Monday,
January.
Okay, we're Monday. Yes, today is Monday, but in which month?
January.
January, that's right. So Monday, we can write it down here, January. Okay. And today is free, right? January free. Okay, you can write it here, the abbreviation, and January, we can abbreviate that 2022. I forgot it now. I can write 2022, but no, we're in 2022 now. This is a new year. So let's write it down. We can decorate. You can decorate, or I don't know if you write it in another way, the date. So remember, if you write in another way the date, you write it down in this way. That it's in your notebook. In your notebook, 2 minutes to write the day or and decorate the third partial. I'm going to give you 2 minutes.
Miss, can I write the number 3 in the third partial?
Yes, you can write number 3 or you can write it in that way. Decorate that. So we're going to review multiplications. While you are decorating, you can unmute your microphone and let's see if you know the answer, if you remember the tables that we studied last year in 2022. If you remember, you studied so hard the tables. So let's review those tables this year. If you don't remember, don't worry. We start a new year and we're going to start to study and review those tables. So let's see, who knows the answer for 2 times 1?
2.
2 times 4. 2 times 4.
8.
8.
4. No, 8.
8, that's right. 2 times 6.
12.
12. 2 times 9.
18.
Okay. 3 times 1.
3.
3 times 4. 3 times 4.
12.
12, that's right. 3 times 5.
15.
That's right. 3 times 7.
21.
3 times 0.
0.
4 times 8.
4 times?
8.
32.
4 times 5.
20. 4
times 7.
28.
That's right. That's right. 5 times 3.
15.
15. That's right. Remember the pronunciation 15. 5 times 7.
35.
Excellent, Donnie. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 9.
45.
Excellent. 45 and 5 times 10.
50.
50. Excellent. Excellent. The pronunciation is great. Now let's see the table of 6. 6 times 8.
48.
48.
6 times 7.
42.
6 times 3.
18.
18. That's right, Sian. 7 times 4.
42.
7 times 6.
42.
42.
7 times 9.
What?
63.
7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 2.
16.
16. Okay, 8 times 5.
40.
40.
8 times 7.
65.
55.
55.
Excellent. 9 times 9.
81.
81.
9 times 4.
81.
36. 36.
9 times 0.
0.
Excellent. Excellent. You remember the tables. That's great. That's great. Now, did you finish class? Did you finish to decorate? Rebecca, did you finish to decorate that third partial? Did you write the topic, review multiplications? We're going to review multiplication. Remember, in the second partial last year, we saw some multiplications in the notebook. We saw some multiplications orally. So today we're going to review that, to remember that we learned in the last date of 2021, this date 2022. Yes, did you finish class? Did you finish to decorate the third partial? No? You need 1 minute more? Okay, I'm going to give you 1 minute, 1 minute more, and then we're going to start with we're going to go to the next slide.
Miss, we have to write a review multiplication.
Yes, that is the title. For today, that is the title.
And only multiplication, no. We have to review.
Yes, it's okay. Multiplications or review multiplication. It's going to be the same. Don't worry.
Okay. I finished, Miss.
Finished? Okay. You finished? All of you finished? You write the review multiplications in your notebook? Yes. Okay, let's go to the next slide. I'm going to share the next slide so you can copy some of the exercises. And this we're not going to copy because we cannot see it so clear here, this one. So let's review together. First, let's review together. Remember that we start with regrouping. For example, 53 times 2, we multiply 2 times 3, right? Remember, we start with the ones and then with the tens. 2 times 3, what is the answer, class? 2 times 3.
6.
6. So we write down number 6 on the ones. Here, 2 times 3, 6. Now, 2 times 5.
10.
10.
So we're going to write 10 here. We write 10 because we don't have more numbers to multiply. So we have the answer. How do you read this number?
106.
106. Excellent, Rebecca. That's right. 106 is the answer for the multiplication. 106. So remember, we start with the ones. 2 times 4. What is the answer of 2 times 4 or 4 times 2?
8.
8. The same. We write it down, number 8 here. And then 2 times 6.
12.
It's 12. 2 times 6, 12, or 6 times 2, it's 12. So we write it down, 12 here, and we have the number. The answer is
128.
128. So the answer is 128. No, do not copy this. Right now, do not copy this. Do not copy this. Now, we have 72 times 3. Which numbers multiply first, class? Which numbers we multiply
2
first?
times 3. 2
2
times
times
Read the
3.
copy this.
6.
3 times
Yeah, that's right. Now then, what is the next step?
3 times 7.
7 times 3 or 3 times 7 is
21.
or 21.
Yes.
21.
Yeah.
21.
21.
21, that's right. 7 times 3 is 21, not 18. So we have 216. Do not copy this. Santiago Chavez, do not copy this right now. Right now, you don't have to copy this. Now we have 63 times 3, right? Which numbers will multiply first?
3 times 3.
What is the answer? Excellent. 3 times 3
9.
is
9.
9. That's right. And then
89.
18. 18. 3 times 6,
18.
6 times 3 equal 18. So we write the answer because we don't have more numbers to multiply. So we write 18 and the answer is 189. That's right. Now, you are going to copy in your notebook the last 4. Copy this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and solve by yourself. We're going to solve by yourself. Yes?
Yes, I have a question of the date. What is the date?
The day you didn't copy the day of today.
No, I didn't copy the 3, a line.
Okay, 0, 1, and then 2022.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're going to copy this 4. You're going to copy this 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first 4, do not copy the first 4, just the second part of this. What is here? I'm going to make a rectangle here. So just copy this, what is here in your notebook. These multiplications. And solve it. Copy and solve it.
The first one are 168.
168. Let's check the answer. You said this. Rebecca's answer is 168. If you solve this and you finish, let me know if you have the same answer of your classmate.
It's correct.
It's correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
Mhm.
We have to put this Please, in the second one, we're going to put it on the 0 or the 2. Put the 0 or the 2.
The answer, remember that's the answer. 2 times 0. What is the answer of 2 times 0, Rebecca?
2.
2? Are you sure?
0.
It's 0, so you write 0. 2 times 0, 0. Okay, 168 is correct. Yes?
Yes.
Khaled?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. 2 times 4 is 8. That's right. And 2 times 8, 16. Okay, that's right. Excellent. Thank you. 90 times 2.
180.
180.
180. 180.
8.
180.
Let's check. Let me know if you have the same answer of Danny, of the same answer of Lucia.
Yes, this
Khaled?
is the answer.
Rebecca, you have
The answer on the next one, 104.
Okay, thank you, Mia. 104. We're going to check your answers. 104.
$124.
Mhm. Okay, let's check this one. We have 2 times 0, 0. Remember, 2 times 0, every single number that you multiply by 0, it's 0. If you say 8 times 0, 0. 7 times 0, 0. 4 times 0, 0. So in this case, 2 times 0, it's 0. 2 times 9, it's 18. That's right. So that is the answer. What is the next answer, class? 52 times 2.
104.
104. Do you have the same answer of Mia and Lucia, class? No?
Yes, is that correct?
124.
24.
124. 124.
No.
124.
No.
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 Okay, let's check these answers. One of your classmates, it says it's 124, and
No.
all of you say 104. Let's check the answer. 2 times 2. What is the answer of 2 times 2?
4. 4.
4. And what is the answer of 5 times 2 or 2 times 5?
10.
10. That's right. So it's 104. Put a check if you have that.
Please let's for the next one.
86.
86. No, 86. Yeah, 86.
86 is the answer for the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Sian, you have the same answer, 86. Kiara, Ana, Fernando, you have the same answer, 86. Yes, Kiara say yes. Ana say yes. Camila Montserrat, you have the same answer, 86.
Yes.
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 Alberto, do you have the same answer, 86? Excellent. Let's check this answer. We have 43 times 2. Remember, we multiplied 2 times 3 or 3 times 2. It's 6, that's right. And 4 times 2
I have
equals
this answer.
8. That's right. So it's 86 is the answer. Really check if you have the same answer. If you remember, this is multiplication. So you multiply 1 by 1 every digit. For example, 2 times 3. So you multiply this digit number 2 by every single digit. In this case, we have just 2. And we finish the multiplication. If you remember the tables, you know the answer for your multiplication. It's going to be easier for you.
No, que ya no está nevando, leído, pero es broma.
Okay, so we have 2 times 3 and then 2 times 4. In this case, we have 86. In this case, we have 104. So because we only have 2 digits, we don't have to do more. Remember that we can have more digits in a multiplication. It depends. But today we're going to have just 2 digits. 2 digits in the multiplications. Did you finish this class? Did you finish?
Yes, Miss. Yes.
All of you finished? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the next slide. I'm going to clear this and let's change the slide. Okay, here we have more. We have more. So in this case, we're going to copy the first 4. Copy just this first 4. Copy this, just this. And solve in your notebook. Please. Copy just this.
I have the answer.
You have the answer number 1, 70 times
210. 210.
Okay, I'm going to write, and when your classmates finish, they are going to tell me if they
Yes,
have the
this is
same
the
answer.
answer.
Correct.
Yeah, I have the same answer.
Okay, you have the same answer of Danny.
I have the answer of the other.
You have the answer of
No,
the
I
second
don't
one.
have the answer.
Me too.
168.
162.
Yeah, it's 168.
168.
160.
60.
160.
Oh,
Without the
No,
8.
the next one.
Is-
Oh, yeah.
160. 60. Yes.
no.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. No.
So you say 210 for number 1, 70 times 3. Let me check. We have 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 7, 21. That's right. Go to check if you have the same answer. 80 times 2, 2 times 0.
It's my,
Miss,
yeah.
160. That's
Miss,
right.
the second one are 188.
Number 3,
188. Yes.
188.
188.
Third one, 188. 2 times 4, you say 8. That's right. 2 times 9, 18. Okay, put a check.
And
Yes.
the other is 122.
122. You have the same answer of Lucia. Lucia's answer?
Yes.
Yes. Rosa says yes. Colette says yes.
Yes, correct.
I have that answer.
Diane, Fernando, okay. 2 times 1, 2. That's right. You copy 2 under the
correct.
ones. 2 times 6, you say, or 6 times 2, it's 12. It's correct. So put a check if you have 122. 122 is the answer. Now let's solve this. Let's solve this orally. Do not copy this for. We're going to do it orally. We're going to copy orally. Now 51 times 2. Who knows the answer of 51 times 2?
Is is 102. 102.
102. You multiply 2 times 2, 1. And 2 times 5, 10. So you say 102. That's right. 41 times 4. Who knows the answer of 41 times 4?
164.
164. That's right. You multiply 4 times 1, 4, and 4 times 4, 16. 50 times 2. What is the answer of 50 times
100. 100. 100.
100, just 100. You say 2
Yeah.
times 0, 0, and 5 times 2, 10. That's right. It's 100. That is the answer. And 74 times 2.
The next is 148.
48. We say 4 times 2, 8, and 7 times 2, or 2 times 7, it's 14. That's right,
correctly.
Mia. Excellent. Excellent. You remember the tables. That's great. That's great. And you remember how to multiply. Remember that in this case, we're not regrouping, but we need to follow the ones and then multiply the tens. Excellent. Did you finish to copy this for the first 4 class?
Yes.
Yes, all of you finished?
Yes.
The
Yes.
first 4, yes.
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 Okay, that's great. That's great. Excellent. If you finish, excellent. Now, I'm going to show you in this week the homework that you have in this week. You don't have too much homework. This is the first week of the year. So you only have, let's see, this homework, free homework. I already shared this on Schoology, your on WhatsApp. Also, you have it. You have homework in phonics.
Only one.
Okay, we have in math, that is a homework I'm going to explain right now, and spelling. You have this free homework. And music and art, you have these materials. And on PE, also you have some materials that you need for these 2 classes. So remember to have them ready when you are in music, art, and PE. Yes. So I'm going to explain to you the homework for math. It says you have to solve a worksheet. You can print it or you can copy in your notebook the exercise. You have to review the tables. You have to review the tables, multiplication tables. So I'm going to show you the homework. Just let me open it here. Okay, it is here. Yes. Okay, this is the homework. Homework number 1, math. Multiply 3 digits and 4 digits numbers. So it says instructions. Find the products. You can print the page, copy the exercises in your notebook. You can print it or you can solve in your notebook. You must show your work. So, for example, number 1, we have 412 times 8. So you multiply 8 times 2. What is the answer of 8 times 2?
16.
16, that's right. So which number you write it down here?
The 6.
The 6, that's right. And what happened with number 1?
The 1 in the 1.
Okay, so you write it down 1 here. So this is the way that you show your work. It says you must show your work. So you write number 1 here. And you continue. 8 times 1. What is the answer of 8 times 1?
8.
Plus 1.
9.
No, 9.
9. So you write 9. That's right. Now 8 times 4.
32.
32. That's right. In this case, we don't have more numbers, so you write 32, and that is
The comma.
excellent. You write the comma. Where you should write the comma?
in the
Street
tree.
and the
That's
tree.
right.
Yes.
Between 3 and 2. Between number 3 and number 2, you write a comma. And you have 3,296 as the answer. So that is the homework. You have a lot of exercises here that you can start working by today. If you want or tomorrow. Okay, any questions so far about the homework?
No.
No questions. Okay, I already shared this on Schoology so you can check. So it was nice to see you today. So let's finish the class of math. See you later. Let's go and have the 10 minutes break.
Mommy.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Later.